5 Best Electric Screwdriver. Here is the product number 5. Mini Wowstick Electric Screw-Me Driver. A key to control the forward and reverse operation is very convenient. With LED lights, the work area is automatically illuminated when the work is reversed. About 2 hours of continuous idle work, the actual average person is intermittent work, the battery can last longer. Charge for about 40 minutes full, charging red light, full of green light. The operation is as simple and comfortable. Here is the product number 4. Pro Upgrade Version Electric Screwdriver. The design of a portable compact precision electric screwdriver. You can disassemble the usual mobile digital electronics and other small and medium-size equipment screws, because these devices screw itself is small. Manual design, not only can be electric operation, can also be manually operated. Electric and manual can operate independently, can also operate simultaneously. Here is the product number 3. Mini Electrical Screwdriver. Features: forward, reverse switch, X-bit chuck, easy to open ration, shape shifting, LED working light, compact size, strong power, multiple functions. Type name, Mini Electric Screwdriver. Voltage, 3.6 volts. Battery lithium battery. Speed, 250 RPM. Here is the product number 2. Mini Electrical Screwdriver. Support positive and negative rotation, just press the button to unscrew or screw up the screws with ease. Dual working modes, when the screws are too tight, you can rotate the screwdriver manually. 3.6 volts 1100 mAh lithium battery, easy and quick for charging via micro USB interface. Mini and compact design, lightweight and comfortable for long time use. Here is the product number 1. Bosch Go-To Electric Screwdriver. Dual boot design. The first design thrust starts, loosening stops. Control the activation by casting force at all times. The second design switch start when using the switch key to start, the strength is more stable and controllable. Equipped with 6-speed professional mechanical torque control. Bosch Go-To is equipped with the second generation smart chip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.